Imagine standing in front of the Steve Jobs Theater right now. The air is cold, the glass is gleaming, and inside, Apple is about to change everything we think we know about the affordable iPhone and the Pro Mac. If you thought 2025 was a big year for tech, you haven't seen anything yet. The Apple February 2026 event, or as the insiders are calling it, the M5 revolution. Right now, as you're watching this, Apple is finalizing a series of press releases and a potential keynote that will drop within days. We aren't just talking about a faster chip or a new color. We are talking about the death of the notch on the budget models, the birth of the world's first truly affordable MacBook, and a mysterious home hub device that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Stick with me for the next 30 minutes, because I have gathered every single leak, every CAD render from the supply chain in Taiwan, and every whispered secret from Cupertino to give you the full picture. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what is coming on February 19th, why you should stop yourself from buying a Mac Pro right now, and which budget device is secretly the most powerful tool Apple has ever built for creators. Let's dive into the belly of the beast. The biggest story of February 2026 isn't a phone. It's a chip. The M5. But not just any M5, the M5 Pro and the M5 Max. For months, we've seen the base M5 chip performing well in the standard MacBook, but the Pro and Max versions were delayed. Why? Because Apple was perfecting a new internal architecture. The leaks suggest that Apple has finally separated the CPU and GPU blocks entirely. This means thermal management like we've never seen. No more throttling. No more loud fans. Just pure, raw power. If you are a video editor, a 3D designer, or someone who works with heavy AI models, the M5 Pro and M5 Max MacBook Pros are about to make your current machine feel like a calculator. We're looking at a 25% jump in multi-core performance over the M4. But here is the kicker, the AI capabilities. Apple is doubling down on Apple Intelligence, with a dedicated N1 networking chip and a neural engine that can process trillions of operations per second without even waking up the main CPU. But wait, before you get too excited about the speed, there's a design rumor that is dividing the community. Sources say Apple is testing a matte black that actually absorbs light. It's not just a color, it's a finish. And while the 14-inch and 16-inch chassis remain mostly the same, the connectivity is jumping to Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0. But what if you don't have $3,000 to spend? What if you're a student or a casual user who just wants that Apple ecosystem magic without the Pro price tag? Well, February 2026 is the month Apple finally answers your prayers. For the first time in history, the rumors of a cheap MacBook are actually coming true. Codenamed J700, this is the $699 MacBook. Now, I know what you're thinking. $699? From Apple? What's the catch? The catch is actually quite brilliant. Instead of using a weakened M series chip, Apple is reportedly using the A18 Pro chip, the same one for the iPhone 16 Pro. In a laptop body with a 13-inch display and massive battery space, that chip will fly.